I've thought about this quite a bit, which is, this whole concept of dyspraxia and creativity. And I guess there's a few questions there. There's a question of what is dyspraxia and what is creativity. I guess in a sense, to be creative is to create something that's original. And like a teacup talking to a coffee cup, that's creative. So I've had this sense of dyspraxia enhances creativity, but why? Why would this do this? So I've got this idea that dyspraxia adds a new level of uniqueness, and therefore creative potential is enhanced. Stay with me here. So, in a sense, when we look at individuals, we are all different. We all have a unique DNA. But dyspraxia adds another layer of uniqueness. So, when you think of you can think of like a brain metaphor, and the dyspraxic brain enables new ways of doing things. This is neurodiversity, thinking different. Abstract art is a great example of thinking different. So if you have dyspraxia or any forms of neurodiversity, there is this potential. So it's like, it's like you're this great computer, but you've learned to switch the computer on, and you can activate, these creative programs. So I feel that there is the potential that dyspraxia enhances your uniqueness, and therefore can give you the potential to have this great ability of creativity.